This is the PARS 38X8 armored vehicle of the British Royal Army, which helps open pods on land with or without mines. The Heavy Equipment Transport Vehicle is specifically designed to transport heavy military equipment of the U.S. military. This is the Russian Army's armored off-road vehicle. Engineers are testing it in the harshest environments. Equipped with an extremely powerful engine, it can be seen that this armored off-road vehicle can pass quite easily this flooded road. Even the driver was so confident that he opened the door to observe how interesting the wheel was moving. Star 660 is a famous truck line manufactured in Poland, specializing in transporting heavy materials, especially wood. This giant yellow tractor is trying to pull another tractor out of the mud. Off-road vehicles are vehicles used to specialize in going downhill or on extremely bad roads thanks to the large and sturdy frame design. off-road vehicle that uses crawlers to wade through water is the DT30PM off-road vehicle. All-Terrain Vehicle 10 is a high-tech off-road vehicle designed to operate on difficult terrain and in harsh weather conditions. Zero is used in many fields such as construction, military, and other special work requiring the ability to cross terrain and large loads. Not only that, the 10 also transports heavy goods on difficult terrains. Zero is designed with a strong chassis and high-power engine to ensure good performance in all conditions. This is one of the US military's super trucks specially designed to transport extremely heavy goods to areas where normal vehicles cannot pass. Too awful. The road was filled with mud, like a maze with no way out, causing this logging truck to face fierce challenges. The weight of the wood being carried makes each move of the truck heavier and more difficult. The sound of the engine echoed in the deep forest, like the music of the driver's passion and unrelenting determination.